In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-admit participants in Google Meet. This will be incredibly useful if you're hosting larger meetings or classes and want to streamline the process without manually admitting each participant. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to head over to Google Meet. You can do this by simply opening your browser and typing in the URL for Google Meet. Once you're there, look for the waffle icon, which is a grid of small squares in the top right corner of your screen near your profile picture. Clicking on this icon will open a menu with various Google apps. Next, scroll through these apps and click on the Chrome Web Store. This is where you can find and add extensions to your Chrome browser, which can enhance the functionality of your browsing experience. In the Chrome Web Store, locate the search bar, which is usually positioned at the top left of the web page, and type in Auto Admit. This term relates to extensions designed specifically to handle the entry of participants into Google Meet sessions automatically. Once you've typed in Auto Admit, your search results will populate with extensions related to this feature. Look for an extension that specifically mentions Google Meet in its name or description, as this ensures compatibility. Click on the Auto Admit for Google Meet extension. You can view additional details about the extension here, such as reviews, ratings, and user feedback to better understand how it performs and how other users have found it beneficial. After reviewing the information, you'll see an Add to Chrome button, usually in a blue color, on the extension page. Clicking this button will prompt a pop-up and ask for your permission to add the extension to your browser. Make sure to read through the permissions carefully to understand what the extension will have access to. Once you're comfortable, click Add Extension, and your Chrome will begin the installation process. This should only take a few moments. With the extension now installed, it's ready to go to work for you. The next time you start a Google Meet session, the Auto Admit extension will automatically grant entry to your participants, saving you from having to do so manually each time someone wants to join. Just remember, it's a good idea to occasionally check for any updates to the extension so that you always have the latest features and improvements at your disposal. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've set up an automatic way to admit participants on Google Meet, ensuring a smoother, uninterrupted meeting experience. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your hassle-free meetings.